Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Mudassir Mehboob, and today the topic of our discussion is law of mass action. This is chapter number 7 from course first year, uh, and the chapter name is chemical equilibrium. So, what is law of mass action? This law, this law state that this law state that the rate of a chemical reaction is directly proportional to the active masses of the reacting substances. What does it mean? It means that when two substances react with one another and form the product, so the rate of this reaction will be directly proportional to the active masses of the reacting substances. I am writing this for you. Look at statement. Statement क्या है इस law का? What is the statement of this law? This law states that the rate the rate the rate of a chemical reaction the rate of a chemical reaction the rate of a chemical reaction is directly proportional to what is directly proportional to the product of the active masses of the reacting substances. Let us A, this is one substance, and B is another substance, and these two react with one another and form C and D. Okay, these are the reactants and these are the products. Okay, and this is a kind of forward reaction, a reaction which is proceed in the forward direction, that is known as forward reaction. Look at in some cases this C reacts again with this D, and again they reform this A and B. This is the backward reaction. Okay, so now apply law of mass action to this reversible reaction. Now we will apply this law of mass action on this system. A reaction which is a reversible reaction, and that is in an equilibrium. So before I am going to its mathematical form, I want to understand one thing. What are the active masses? What are the active masses? Active masses are those masses of the reacting substances which are in the sphere of action. Which is in the sphere of action. It means that, so what are active masses? Active masses are those masses which are in the sphere of action. In the sphere of action mean, what does in the sphere of action means? Those masses will be active. For example, if you take 10 gram of a substance, so among those 10 gram, only 5 gram will react. Only 5 gram will react. So that 5 gram is actually known as active mass. So law of mass action actually relate the rate of the chemical reaction with the active masses of the reacting substances. So mathematically I am writing that when for the rate of the forward reaction, rate rate of the forward reaction, R for rate, F for forward, rate of the forward reaction is directly proportional to the active masses, is the product of the active masses of the reacting substance. The product means multiplication. Product yani the product of active masses of A into B. Look at this is A and this is jab when we enclose A in the bracket, so that is represent the active mass of A. So B, this is the active mass of B. So this is first relationship. Rate of the forward reaction is directly proportional to the product of the active masses of the reacting substances. ये reacting substances है forward reaction में. So rate of the forward reaction is equal to K F. This is K. What is this K? This is a constant. What is this K, Mister? Constant. Constant of what? Equilibrium. This is the constant for the forward reaction. This is the reaction constant. Okay. So we will get this thing. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. Now, rate of the backward reaction. Look at this is rate of the B for backward is directly proportional to the product of the active masses of the reacting substances. So they are the active masses. In the backward reaction, these are the reacting substances. So we will take their active masses, and their active masses, the product of their active masses, they directly proportional to the rate of the backward reaction. Complete this reaction. RB proportionality sign को खत्म करने के लिए हम constant of a backward reaction. Now that is C and D. So we have second. We have second equation. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. So in an equilibrium, what will happen? Equilibrium में क्या होता है? What does there in equilibrium? Equilibrium में क्या होता है? What has happened in the equilibrium? Equilibrium में क्या होता है? Equilibrium में क्या होता है? Equilibrium में ये नहीं होता. In equilibrium, the rate of the forward reaction is equal to the rate of the backward reaction. Okay, so for a chemical reaction, for a chemical reaction at equilibrium, for a chemical reaction at equilibrium, we can say that the rate of the forward reaction is equal to the rate of the backward reaction, or we can also call it a reverse reaction. So rate of the forward reaction, that is equal to K of F, that is A and B, is equal to RB, rate of the backward reaction, is equal to rate constant. K is called the rate constant and B for the backward reaction, and C and D. Now rearranging this, we can also write Kf divided by Kb. So that is equal to CD, A and B. Look at this is rate constant for a forward reaction when divided by rate constant for a backward reaction, we call it an equilibrium constant. This is equal to what? Kc, equilibrium constant. This is what? This is the equilibrium constant. And this we can also write this Kc is equal to CD and AB. Proper definition. If we properly define the equilibrium constant, so it is the ratio of the product of the molar concentration of the products to that of the reactants, to that of the reactants, to that of the reactant. So I am writing this for you. What is equilibrium constant? When somebody asks you what is equilibrium constant, so what is equilibrium constant? Please, Mr. Equilibrium constant is what? Kc is what?
The ratio of the product.
Yes, Kc is the ratio. Kc is the ratio of the product of the molar concentration. So of the product of the molar concentration. Of the molar concentration. Further, Kc is the ratio of the product of the molar concentration of the products. These are the Kc is equal to the product of C square and C molar concentration and D molar concentration. Okay, so how Kc can be defined? Kc is the ratio of the product. देखिए Kc is the ratio है. Kc is the ratio. It is the ratio of what? It is the ratio of the product of the molar concentration of the product to the. Okay, so what I was describing that Kc is a ratio of what? Ratio of the molar concentration of the product to that of the molar concentration of the reactant. So specifically we can divide that Kc is the ratio of the product. This is the product of active mass of C and the product of the active mass of D of the molar concentration of the product. These are the products. To that of the molar concentration of the reactants. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much. Inshallah. Further, you you can see, you can watch more valuable topics and more valuable information. Thank you.